Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to draw a perpendicular line. So if you want to draw a perpendicular line, you follow the steps in this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share if this is helpful to you. Now what you need to do is to first of all draw a straight line. So now once you draw a straight line, you label this point as your point A. You now choose a convenient radius at a center at this point, and you now label this point as your point B, and here we have your point C. So in order to draw a perpendicular line across this point, you first of all open your pair of compass to a convenient radius. You cut an arc at this point, and you now extend the arc to the other side. So now once you do that, you now come to this point, you stand and you now open to your convenient also, and then you now inscribe an arc at the top and below. Using that same radius, you project to this point, you stand here and you now cut another arc at the top and below. So once you are through with that, you will now extend a straight line from this point cut across the center to the other side. So this is how to construct a perpendicular line. If this is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video to your course mates also. Thank you.